Hello, thanks for being here. Today we will talk about how to make your ex-boyfriend or partner fall in love again. At the end of a love relationship, you may have asked yourself how to make your ex-partner fall in love again. And you may have felt that the world is ending, but don't worry, when you finish reading this article, you will have more resources to recover your love. Pay attention to the following tricks, because that is how I managed to get my boy back. You must do what I mentioned correctly to get the second chance that you want so much. Put the following into practice and you will see the results. 1. Get back to your ex-man, boyfriend or husband. Nothing better than controlling your jealousy. It is essential that you stop being jealous. If you continue with the jealousy role, you will generate negative thoughts and you will be filled with insecurity and anxiety. Give him his space. Both you and your boy need time to meditate on the relationship they had. If you give him that relief, he can conclude that he misses you, and most likely he will want to return with you. You must also recover your emotions. If you find yourself calm and upset, there will be no way to return to your ex-partner. This does not like most men, that you seem impatient or upset. So be calm, and now keep your time busy doing activities such as walking, exercising, and whatever you think is convenient, and help to be sure that it is good for you. 2. Bring out the things your partner fell in love with. Your way of laughing, your flirtatious side, your sensitivity, these are qualities that your ex-partner will surely fall in love with. So open that range once again, just as you did at the beginning of the relationship. When talking to your ex, do not bring up topics that do not bring a good memory. Put negativities aside. Rather, work on bringing out the good in the relationship, what made you laugh together, what you both enjoyed. Once you have some conversations with him, and you are sure that things have been going well in all aspects, it is the right time to talk about the problems, in a totally civil and calm way. This is the best way for both of you to have your heart and to amend past mistakes, and to find a definitive solution. 3. How to attract, like and seduce your ex again. When a relationship ends, it is normal for you to feel disturbed. That is why you should not make decisions at that moment, since emotions are afloat. For this reason, I advise you to suspend all kinds of contact with your boy, at least temporarily. Do not bother him with text messages, with calls to his phone, or leaving messages on his social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, because it will be very harmful. You must wait for him to take the first step to get in touch with you again. It will be a bit difficult, but try not to be with him for at least 3 or 4 weeks, this way you will give him time to start missing you. Vent off with someone you trust. When you end a relationship, most likely you want to talk to someone about what happened, so you need a person you trust, such as a therapist, a close friend, a family member. With someone like this you can shed tears, pain, anger, or whatever you have repressed. After opening your feelings, you will have a feeling of improvement. When you manage to talk openly about a relationship that has apparently come to an end, it is a good sign that you have made the most of your time without him, and it will help you see things more clearly in order to get back with your man. It may be that you begin to perceive things from another point of view, and in this way you will understand your ex's motives. Putting yourself in the other person's shoes, as well as understanding some situations that happened, will undoubtedly help you rekindle the relationship. Some professionals in this field relate the issue of returning with him or her to the game of chess, because a bad move can cause you to lose the game. A multitude of errors when trying to get your ex-partner back could have a bad consequence and waste the opportunity to return. Now, benefit from our experience and our proven strategy to get your ex back. You deserve the opportunity for a happy future with your ex. Click on the link in the description of this video, so we can help you immediately. Do not forget to share the video to help other people like you who are looking for help. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. A pleasure and thanks.